He's ready for the boat show, baby?
Hi, my name is Lucho. This is my first mate, Anna. And together with our baby boat Ceviche, we're gonna discover the Chesapeake Bay. Come with us.
Alright, here in Annapolis, ready for the boat show, baby?
Yeah.
This is the October boat show, so it's much bigger. It's gonna be huge. We got tickets already, so we can pass these. By the way, our tickets were provided by Pocket Yachts.
Awesome.
They were very nice, free tickets. Thank you, guys. Here is the map. So, as you see, it's huge. We're going to spend all day here, baby. Are you ready or what?
Definitely.
Well, let me check out this suction stuff.
Outside.
So, these are mostly the fishing boats for open water. 2 engines, 3 engines. Look at this one. For open ocean. Nice fishing boats. Super powerful. Pretty cool fishing boat here. With a helm outside. Another one in the cabin. Pretty cool cabin here. Check it out inside. Nice. So this is a power catamaran.
Very strong.
Let's check it out. It's huge. What a beauty. Just check this one out. This is it's a power boat, but it's also a sailboat. So it's both. Very interesting. It's huge. So it's kind of a fishing, it's a hybrid, right? Fishing boat.
Yeah.
And then kind of family cruiser.
Yeah, family, fishing boat, family picnic boat.
Let me see the cabin. Oh, this is a very interesting boat. Nice and funky, but beautiful. Check it out. It's like from the past, but in the future, all right? Pocket Yachts. So we love these boats. Thank you guys for the tickets. That's the Cat Cutters and the Rangers. Ranger 29, this is the one we like.
Hi, I'm 31.
Yeah. Baby, how do you like the bridge? It's amazing, huh? So functional. I mean, this boat has solar panels, everything. Super functional boat. Fully equipped too. Very nice. Baby, I think we belong here. I like this boat. Annapolis Boat Show. Hey girls, what's going on? We're gonna check out your boats.
Now, Luis.
What's going on? How you doing? Good, good, good. I'll be right with you. So this is the one we like, baby, right?
Is it or no?
We'll see.
Another question.
All right, so this is a Regal 26 with an outboard. So that means you can fit a generator inside. So you get a 26 with a generator. Great deal, great boat. All right, so this is the famous 28 Express. Just like ceviche. Right, baby?
You color white.
Color white, but actually I like this color because it's kind of I don't know, it's kind of good. And inside it's kind of, it's not white, it's kind of a pearl. So it's a little darker than white, and I love the floors that are dark and the wood that is kind of, I love it. I think this model is good. Wow, Jupiter bikes. I never heard of these guys, but check it out. These are small folding electric bikes. 20-25 miles an hour, and the battery lasts for about
10 miles.
10 miles. Check it out. Fold it, it's like this. So it fits under the seat, it fits under anywhere. Different colors, different seats. Baby, wow, they're funky, they're modern, they're good. And you have a, with a backpack, you can, for traveling around. I love it. So if you don't want to bottom paint your boat and keep the nice speed, There it is. You use the fob dock. It's a floating dock that will keep your hull nice and dry. With a nice pump. That's a pump, right? We'll pump the water out and your hull will be dry. As long as your boat is there, it will be dry. Very nice. Check it out. So check out the boat loop. You know, when you struggling, trying to pull the boat, put it on the pilings, check out the video.
You're gonna stop telling me.
Look at the piling, you just pull it in. Check it out, you can make it at 6 feet. Is that 6 feet? 6 feet, you can get 8 feet. You can remove the heads for storing the device. Very nice. And it floats. Look at that. Wanna give you capital license? Do it here. I recommend it. It's pretty good.
Thank you for watching. We hope these videos help promote the Chesapeake Bay. If you're new to our channel, check out our introduction video. Also, help us promote the Chesapeake Bay by giving this video a like and subscribe. You can also help the make of these videos through Patreon. Check it out.